In addition to adding and updating organizations, you are also able to create an entirely new organization as part of your profile. So you'll want to go to the Add Update Organization link in your profile, and you'll select Add Organization. We always recommend you first search to see if the organization already exists. So we're going to look for Mercury Rehab. Search the system, and we see no results were found. So that tells us that we need to create this as a new organization. So select Create Organization. You'll type in the organization name. You can select the type of organization. In this case, we'll put Other. You'll type in the address, 596. Here we go. You can add a website. And if there is a building or suite number, you would add that as well. Select Next. Now we've created the organization Mercury Rehab. Here we can enter the information that's specific to the clinician or yourself that's associated with that organization. Select Accept Insurance or Not, and Save. So now when we come back to our Manage Organization page, click Reload, we now have an additional organization, Mercury Rehab. The status is selected to Current, which means it will display in the visible clinician search. If that is your primary organization and you'd like to make that change, in the edit of your organization, you can change and select this as your primary organization. However, if it is only an additional organization, you would want to leave that unselected. If at some point you leave Mercury Rehab, again, if you select Remove from Profile, it will take it off your profile. You can repeat that process for as many organizations that you're affiliated with that you would like to have as part of your profile and displayed on the clinician search.